Hello. Hi. How are you all today? Is morning good? Yes. And who says this? Yes, Joker. Who says this? Joker. Joker has come all the way from his circus to say hi to you this morning. Children, we will revise once again all the alphabets that we have gone through. How many alphabets we have learned so far? Just say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. We have learned so far 9 alphabets. And have you done all the homeworks and the different activities that are shown to you? Did you enjoy doing? Yes. And now you see here, what picture can you see here? What is this picture? Yes, Joker. And Joker has come all the way from a circus. And for what he has come here? Yes, to teach you the letter J. What he has come to teach you? The letter J. And what the Joker do? What the Joker do? Yes, he makes us to smile with his different activities, different stunts. He makes us to laugh. And you see here, he has worn different colorful clothes. A good hat on his head. Now we will see one more picture. What is this picture? Yes, J for jug. And what is there inside the jug? Yeah, water is filled in the jug. One more picture is there. We drink sometimes. J for juice. Say J for juice. And you all like and enjoy drinking different types of juice. Mango juice, pineapple juice, yes, apple juice, orange juice. There are different juice that you enjoy drinking. And one more letter picture we get. J for jeep. Say J for jeep. Now we are going to write this alphabet in this book. First we will write in the book. So we will make like standing line as we had made into the letter I on the first 3 lines. We are going to write the standing line on the first 3 lines. Then when we come at the end of third line, we will make a backward curve, slight backward curve. And then on top, on the first line, small slipping line. Once again, a standing line on the first 3 lines. Then when we come to the end of the third line, we'll make a backward curve, slight backward curve, and on top of the first line we'll make a slipping line, and we get the letter J. A standing line, a slipping line, and slight curve, yes, backward curve, and we get the letter J. And now we will do on the next page also. So here we will have only one dot on top. See, one dot on top, and then you come here for the third line, another dot. But before we could end, you will get the you will do the backward curve. Just you make standing line and backward curve, and on top you will make a slipping line also. Okay, so first you make a standing line, then go for the backward line, and then slipping line, and you get the letter J. And as I have told you in the another letters also, you will color the pictures. You will color the pictures, that is of the juice and the jeep. Now we will go forward to the page number 26, letter recognition. What is there here? Letter recognition. Now they have written here, circle the letters. सर्कल मतलब गोला करना है लेटर्स के ऊपर, दैट आर द सेम एज दोज इन द बिगिनिंग. जो शुरुआत में है, स्टार्टिंग में जो दिए हैं शुरुआत में, वही लेटर जब आगे आएंगे उसी के ऊपर आपको गोला करना है. अभी देखेंगे सबसे पहले यहाँ पर एक हम करके दिखाएंगे, आगे के आपको करने हैं. कौन सा लेटर है ये? Yes, G for grapes. Very good. And another letter? Yes, F for fish. G, F. Two letters are there. And what is this picture? Elephant. E for elephant. Inside the picture of an elephant, we have the letter G, F. Now you will go to the straight line and you see where is G, F. Here what is the word letter? G, F. First also we have got G, F, and here also G, F. So we will circle. Now here you see F, G. Is it correct? No, because we need first G letter, then only F. E, G. No, that also is wrong. So only the first only is a correct one. Now you say B, G. What is the letter? B, G. Here B, G is there? Yes, so you will circle even these also. B, G. Next one G, H. No. D, F. No. So you will see like that. If it is this is there only, you will do. Now one more example, D, G. What is this letter? D, and second letter is G. So here you see on this line, what is this letter? B, C. So it is not. Next letter D, G. Very good. So is there D, G? D, G. So you will circle this letter, this block you will circle. I, J, no. So you will do the further exercise on the 26 page number as it is shown on the first. So first letters, those are there. These are the first letters, beginning letters. So same letters you will see into the front of this line, and if it is there you will circle. Now another एक्सरसाइज द एक्टिविटी फाइंड द वे. आपको रास्ता ढूंढना है. यहाँ पर राइट द फर्स्ट लेटर, पहला लेटर आपको लिखना है ऑफ द ईच पिक्चर. हर एक पिक्चर का आपको पहला लेटर लिखना है, पहला अक्षर लिखना है. नाउ हेल्प द किंग रीच हिज कासल थ्रू लेटर सीक्वेंस. मतलब आपको यहाँ पर जो किंग खड़े हैं उनको अपने पैलेस तक पहुँचना है, उनके घर तक आपको पहुँचाना है. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द लेटर. यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज द पिक्चर एंड राइट द फर्स्ट लेटर. What is this picture here? Yes, A for ant. So write down A for ant. Then what is this picture? Yes, B for boy. Next, C for cat. Very good. C for cat. D for deer. Yes, E for egg. G for girl. See here, girl. G for girl. H for hen. Yes, I for ice cream. Very good. And J for joker. Now you will join and you will get the, so you will help the king to go out of his way. So you will go like this, then again like this. So like this you will reach to the palace. So this activity also you have to do it. So you will have for your homework page number 24, 25, 26 and 27. See you.